In the last chapter, you learned the definition of the Internet, which is a collection of computers and devices connected together via communications devices and transmission media. Chapter 2 will further explore the Internet and the World Wide Web. The World Wide Web is one service available on the Internet. The Internet has had a profound effect on the world of computers. The Internet originated as ARPANET in 1969. Dial-up access is the least expensive way to gain access to the Internet. However, dial-up access is slow-speed technology. Listed on this slide are the many ways to connect to the Internet using broadband service. Broadband provides a higher speed connection. An access provider is a business that provides individuals and organizations access to the Internet free or for a fee. An addressing system is used by the Internet to send data to a computer at a specific destination. The Internet Protocol Address, IP address, is a set of numbers that uniquely identify each computer connected to the Internet. The domain name is the text version of an IP address. Both the numbers in the IP address and the text in the domain name are separated by periods. Each domain name contains a top-level domain. In the domain name shown on the screen, COM is the top-level domain for Commerce. The top-level domain identifies the type of organization associated with the domain. For example, EDU is John A. Logan College's website's top-level domain. EDU stands for Educational. Listed on this screen are examples of top-level domains. The World Wide Web is one service on the Internet. The web is a collection of electronic documents called web pages. A collection of related web pages is called a website. The application software that allows you to view web pages is called a web browser. Once you have a computer that is connected to the Internet and you have web browser software, you will be able to view web pages. Microsoft's Internet Explorer is the most widely used web browser software. However, there are other web browsers, including Firefox and Opera. Safari is a web browser that's used for Macintosh computers. A home page is the first page a website displays. The first page often provides links to other web pages. Surfing the web refers to the activity of using links to explore the web. You click to activate a link. Downloading is the process of a computer receiving information. Each web page has an address called a Uniform Resource Locator, or URL. Most web pages begin with http:// HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. HTTP is a set of rules that defines how pages transfer on the Internet. The first portion of the domain name, www, identifies the use of a web server. The web address may also include a path or location on the computer server of the web page. Tabbed browsing allows a user to open and view multiple web pages within a single window. While surfing the web, you can use search engines to find websites and web pages. A search engine is a program that allows you to search the web for specific information. There are 13 different types of websites: portal, news, informational, business marketing, blog, wiki, online social network, educational, entertainment, advocacy, web application, content aggregator, and personal. Because there are so many different types of websites, do not assume that information presented on any website is correct or accurate because anyone can access and publish a web page. Information on the web can be inaccurate, biased, out of date, or inappropriate. Use the listed guidelines for evaluating the value of a web page or a website. Most web pages use multimedia, which includes graphics, animation, audio, video, and virtual reality. A graphic is a visual representation of non-text information. Audio includes music, speech, or any other sounds. Video consists of full motion images that are played. Virtual reality is the use of computers to simulate a real or imagined environment that appears as a 3D space. Although most web browsers have the capability of displaying basic multimedia elements, your browser may need an additional program called a plugin to extend the capability of the browser to view the multimedia elements of a website. You can download many plugins at no cost from various websites. E-commerce is a business transaction that occurs over an electronic network. E-commerce is popular on the web. According to a recent survey, more than 50% of websites are commercial. There are 3 types of electronic commerce: business to consumer, consumer to consumer, and business to business. Electronic mail, email, is a primary method of communication for both personal and business use. Email is the transmission of messages and files via a computer network. Messages can consist of simple text or can contain attachments such as documents, graphics, or audio-video clips. Voice over IP enables users to speak to others over the Internet using their computers. File Transfer Protocol, FTP, is another service on the Internet. FTP allows the uploading and downloading of files with other computers on the Internet. Uploading is the transfer of files from your computer to a server on the Internet. Netiquette is short for Internet etiquette. Netiquette can be applied to all aspects of Internet use.